when you run out of your store-bought Konkonte or the one you brought from Ghana, you decide to make your own. So we are making Konkonte. Right? We have cassava, yucca, which, as you can see here, my mom peeled the skin off and then chopped it up into small pieces, or I mean, you can see not too big, and then she rinsed it in water to clean it, and we are just drying it out here in the sun. We're going to let this dry to dehydrate, more like dehydrate, and afterwards we will be blending or grinding this into like a fine powder to make Konkonte with. So this is the process. This is the process of drying. Okay, let's see. She's going to be cutting. Don't mess with my mom. She's using the knife. Okay, so she's cutting the. She's gonna cut it into 3 pieces, so it will make it easier for her to work with each piece. So see, she's taking the skin off. Banchinefu. Sorry for the background noise. We are on the patio, so then she's gonna cut in half, and then she's gonna she'll remove like the thread, like you can see it's like a thread in the middle. Let's see, you can see her removing it, and then there you go. And then she's putting it in water here, and then she will rinse it. You can see how she's cutting it up, taking the skin. It's really easy, it's not that hard. Cassava looks clean, and so this is how she's cutting it, like, you know, into strips. Strips, like, you know, like chicken tenders. Okay, so there you go, there you go. She's a pro, what can I say? All right, so afterwards then she will wash it, and then it will be sun dried till it dries, and then we will, like I said, make it into powder. So I'm gonna take this inside. I'm gonna put it in a basket, take it inside, and then continue the drying process tomorrow. It's not as dry as we want it. See? So when it's really dry, it will be much harder to break. So it's easy. So all right, so we are continuing the Konkonte, the cassava flour video, and so this is a dry cassava. Okay, so you can see we ended up drying this for like a week. Today's Monday. And so, yeah, this was dry out for a week. You know, sometimes during the rainy season, it has to go for a bit longer, but this is it right here. And what I'm doing next is I'm using the Vitamix. I'm using the Vitamix, you know, to just blend it into like a flour. A fine texture, powdered consistency. Hi, Nathaniel. I have some in here already that I started, so I'm just going to like finish it off. All right, so this is what we got. This is the fine, look. Fine homemade cassava flour, and this one is still in the blender that I'm gonna take out. It's so hot, very hot. Look at it, it's like very fine. Oh, I did not expect the Vitamix to do such a fine job. Even my mom is like surprised. You know, we thought it was going to be like lumpy with lumps in here, but this really did like a fine job. So we have homemade Konkonte. This is really easy. If you have a patio, a backyard like this right here, by all means use it to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Hit the like button, the subscribe button, okay? So whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first ones to get a notification. Thank you as always for watching StellaZone. Enjoy your Konkonte. Face the world, Konkonte. Face the world, Konkonte.